Good teacher.
How are you today? You go to school?
I'm fine. Yes, I go to school.
Okay, so every now and then, every end of the class, I have to record your score and I will post it in Zalo, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will post your score in Zalo. So your mom can see how are you learning with me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here, so we are already pet 4 test for reading. How was the weather there, Keo?
It just look like normal.
Look like normal? Okay, that's good to hear. It looks like normal. But here in the Philippines, the weather is gloomy. Okay, we did not finish questions 21 to 25 in reading. We did not finish that
Yes,
one.
because we don't have time.
Yeah, we don't have time. Good thing you remember. Okay, so we are now on 21 to 25. I need to check your scores because I need to post it in Zalo. As I give the comment, I need to post it in Zalo. So your mom will know how
1,700.
much. Okay, what's your score for today? Please give me your scores for today.
1,762.
1,762. So we are done with this. Okay, we are now here. Yeah, we're now here, right? Okay, so let us continue. It's 21 to 25. We have here about the Greenwood Village. Okay, so just read and please tell me the answer later. Okay, just write in circle the correct word. Keo, don't make it fast. Okay, I want you to get high scores for this.
Okay. Teacher, we did it.
We are not finished with that one. I did not check this. I did not include. You do it again.
We did it.
Give me your answer because we still have 21. Okay, that's answer A and C. Okay, I will give the answers A and C. Okay, for here.
I do it already.
Yeah, 23 and 24. You do it. Okay, Okay, I will include the 2 points. You're correct with that. Okay, that's a bonus for you, Keo. You've got two, you have 2 points.
But teacher, may I go out?
Okay. Please go back.
Okay.
Okay. What does the writer think about the holiday village? Okay. It's letter D. Okay. What does the writer say about the apartments? Okay, I will read the story. Okay. If you want to take the whole family on holiday and keep everybody happy, then I have found just the place for you. I recently went with a group of friends to stay at the Greenwood Holiday Village, which is open from May until October. Built in the center of a forest, Greenwood is a great place to stay. Whatever the weather, its main attraction for families is the indoor world of water, where young and old can have fun in the different pools. Some of these, however, are for serious swimmers only. For sporty people, the country club offers tennis, squash, and badminton. If your children are too young to join the sports, there are activity clubs. Greenwood is a good place for family as it is traffic free. You explore on foot or by bike. Some people complained that this was inconvenient, but I was pleased to be out in the fresh air. For evening entertainment, there are shows and cinemas. Accommodation is in the variety of apartment or different sizes. These have up to 4 bedrooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, as well as a dining area. Before going, I thought the apartments might not be big enough for all of us, but I was pleasantly surprised. It was not too crowded at all. I'll definitely go back to Greenwood next year. Why don't you give a try? Visit your website for a further information now. Okay? So what do you think is that? What does the writer say about the apartments? Okay? Look up here. What is the writer say about the apartments?
I see they are saying for bedroom.
Accommodation in this variety of apartments of different sizes. These have up to 4 bedrooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, as well as a dining area. Before going, thought the apartment might not be big enough for all of us, but I was pleasantly surprised. It was not too crowded at all. Oh, so what's the answer? A, B, or C?
Okay, I choose.
You pick another one. One extra answer.
Okay, I think D.
Okay. Not of all. Oh, not all of them have dining areas. They have up to 4 bedroom, a kitchen, as well as dining area. They have dining area. They have dining area, Kayo. Look at that. Can you see that?
And I will erase two of this. Then
Okay.
it will have A and B to choose.
Okay, A and B. You choose A and B?
A
and C?
You would.
You think?
A.
A.
Okay, I just.
A and B?
Yeah.
Okay, so answer 4 points. Okay, next one here. Okay, you answered it's the last.
Wait, let me plus.
Okay, we have here, no,
Points.
not yet. We're not yet done. We still have 25. Don't forget to add.
Well, okay.
Okay, what do you think is the answer for number 25?
Okay, that's my answer.
It's letter C. You've got 2 answers. Oh, it's okay, Kayo, to get wrong. You got 4. Plus 4. Please add 4, Kayo. So I will write here.
Okay.
Oh, please add 4. Okay. 4 over 5. Okay. So please tell me how many scores do you have? Okay. Oh!
1788.
1,000.
Superhero.
1,000. Oh my God, superhero. Oh, if I will ask you, Keo, what superhero do you want to be?
Fireman.
Oh, where is that? What's this here? Which this one? Can you tell me?
Thor.
Where? This one? This one?
Iron Man.
Ah, the Iron Man. Where's the Iron Man here? This one?
I, the Iron Man is here.
Okay, can you tell teacher? Teacher doesn't know who is. Ah, that one. So you want to, why you like Iron Man?
Wait, you says who is Iron Man? I says Iron Man is here then, but I don't like Iron Man. I just like Fireman.
Oh, fireman. Where's fireman here? Ah, this
This
one.
one.
Maybe. This one
Whose
maybe
was,
kill.
whose was that?
Where? Who? No, maybe this is a helicopter. It's a war, I guess. Okay, I don't know who is this.
Thor.
Ah, Thor. This one, who is this?
I don't know.
There's a star. Who is that one with a star? Okay, I don't know. So on this one, this is Hawk.
Hook.
Yeah, is this Hawk?
Yes.
Okay. I teacher don't know much about this one. And the girl, who's the name? What's the name of the girl?
I don't know her name.
Okay. So at least they are superheroes. Okay. So now let us read here about the superheroes. Okay. So it's not hard for you to answer it. But before that, I have here, do you know the word ambulance?
Ambulance. Yes.
Okay. Emergency.
I know ambulance.
Yeah, of course, because I can sense that you have lots of words in your mind. So many words in your mind. Where did you get that word, Gia? Where did you learn the word? So many.
Teacher Ann. For Teacher Ann.
From Teacher Ann. Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's Teacher Ann who tell you about the ambulance, the emergency. Okay. So we have
Yes.
here, okay, it's very easy for answer because the story is just
there's
here. Yes, that's good. And like in cat is very hard. Here, it's very easy. Okay, so try. Please make it perfect. I will post your score in Zalo.
Teacher, what is Bardock?
It's the last name. Brave William Baldock. It's the last name.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, 26. What's the answer? It's letter 2. Brave William. Okay. Brave William Baldock is Brave William Baldock. Okay. Who is 6 years old, is a hero after helping his mother when she fell downstairs. William quickly rang blank an ambulance. Okay, what's for an ambulance when he discovered his mother had a broken leg. In spite of being frightened, he told the emergency services what had happened and answered all the questions he was asked. Very good, told. And then he also telephoned his father at work. Okay, very good. And then his grandmother to explain what he had done, made, acted, or worked. Are you sure with your answer for number 29?
I think it's yes.
Acted? Are you sure?
I think it's Astro.
He also telephoned. Okay, where is it? And then his grandmother to explain what he had blank. While waiting for the blank people to come, William looked after his 18-month-old sister. Okay, what he had done. And 30, what's number 30? While waiting for these people, okay, very good. So you've got 4 points, Keo. 4 points. Next. Okay, please. Okay, I will be the one to raise. Okay, 4 points, Keo. Please write the 4 points. Okay, that's 35. That's 10. Okay, you've got 4 points. Okay, next.
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, Keo.
Okay.
Look at this one. Okay, so when ambulance Steve Len went to the house, he was amazed. It's blank. It's great. Very good. That a young boy of 6 knew the right number to hit or dial. What's the answer?
Dial.
Okay, number 2, dial. Okay, dial. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's dial. That's dial, not hit. Hit is like a took. That's hit. When you say it's dial. Okay, next. 33. Where is it? And was able to give us the correct information because of William's quick thinking. Okay, very good. We were able to manage get there immediately. Mrs. Baldock left the hospital yesterday. Very grateful or very happy. Okay. To both William and the ambulance service. Okay. You've got 4 points, Kayo. Okay. Plus 4, please. Okay. So now let's move to the next. Okay. So we only have one lesson now, right?
Yes.
Okay, for a while. This is pet 4. Okay, please tell me the correct, the points that you've got, Keo, the whole. Okay, so we are now in reading test 4. Okay, this one. Okay, that one. Okay, example, sorry. Okay, so we have here the vocabulary word that makes you smarter. Qualify for. So when you say qualify for, you have or give somebody the right to do something. You will give or have somebody to give or write something. 2, pursued. You know the word pursued? Make somebody do something by giving them the good reasons for doing it. Annual. You know annual? It's only once a year. So when we say pursued, you will make somebody do something. Okay, Keo, you have to study this one. You have to go to the school. That's pursued. I pursued you to go to the school. Next, it's unload. Removing things. I will unload the things in your bag, Keo. It's too heavy. I will unload all the things in my car because it's too heavy. Okay. Now, Keo, you understand this? By the way, you understand? Are you familiar of the word? Which word you did not understand? Which word?
I understand.
All. You understand? Or what you did not understand? Tell me.
Password.
You understand this? Persuade? Persuade.
Persuade.
It's persuade. Okay, it could be. Wait for it. Okay, for a while, teacher. Okay, you did not understand that word? Okay, Keo. S.
Persuade.
It's persuade. Persuade. Okay, again.
Persuade.
Persuade. Okay. So when we say persuade, it's making somebody do something by giving them good reasons for doing it. Okay, oh? I will persuade you to go to school in international school someday. That will make you very good. Okay, that's persuade. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, next. Okay, this is what you're going to answer. Careful.
Okay.
If red light shows your drink is unbelievable, please make another choice. If the red light shows your drink is unbelievable, please make another choice. Answer is letter C. The answer for number 2, do not use this medicine for more than 7 days without your doctor's advice. Contact your doctor if you wish to continue. Very good. Okay, 1 point. Okay, go.
Okay.
From Sunflower Health Club to all members, sent 15 of April, subject special offer. Okay. Sunflower is selling the exercises, equipment to members at a special price. B. You will qualify for a gift if you persuade a friend to join the Sunflower. Next, your annual fee for Sunflower's Health Club must be paid now. Letter B. Oh, you got 2 points. You have 2 points. You should not park near the house. Okay. Please don't park within 3 meters of this vehicle space needed for unloading. You should not park near here because it is an exit for vehicles. This parking space is reserved for the vehicle's owner. You are requested not to park any closer than 3 meters to this vehicle. Okay. This tower is wonderful green stone. Okay, with 497 steps, stupidly climb to the top. The view is supposed to be brilliant, but yesterday was cloudy. Okay, it's okay, Keo. You've got 2 points. Okay, right there, 2 points. Okay, I will write. Okay, for 6 to 10, the people below all want to go for a walk. Okay, walk. On the opposite page, there are description of 8 walks. Decide which walk to letter A be the most suitable. For questions 6 to 10, mark the correct letter A to each. Okay. So you have here, okay, you will step this one. I know this is hard for you. Okay, so we have here, Keo, some vocabulary word. We have the word reservation. You know the word reservation? You know the word reservation.
What is it?
Reservation. It's an arrangement for a seat on a plane or a train, a room in the hotel to be kept for you. So that's reserved. See, example, you will call the police, the restaurant. I will reserve a table for 2. Me and my friend will go there to eat. So you will have to call for the reservation. So you will arrange a seat on a plane, on a train, on a hotel, or in the restaurant. Do you understand reservation?
Yes.
Okay. Next is pedestrian crossing. You know pedestrian crossing, the line with in the street there is line. Next is wheelchair. Wheelchair, it's a special chair with wheels used by people who cannot walk because of an illness or an accident. Next, refuse. Refuse means you will say that you will not
I
do
know.
something that somebody has asked you to do. Okay.
Jason, yes.
Okay. I don't like it. I don't like it. That refuse. You will say no. So when you say, Keo, I refuse to have study with you. That's refuse. It means when you say refuse, it means you will say no, teacher. No. Okay? You understand? Okay. What is the word that you did not understand here? What is the word here that you did not understand? You understand all? You understand all the word?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, in here, Keo, you will only write where? You will write A or B. A for correct and B for incorrect. Just like A or B. This is the last one, the last activity.
Yeah, because I learn fast.
Yeah, because you learn fast.
Should I? We just learned 1 lesson, but because I learn fast, then 2 lessons.
We're not yet done this. I will just mark right here. We are only until 20. So you'll move to 21 next lesson. That's very good of you.
Okay.
Okay. Number 11, what's the answer? Letter? Where is it? Okay. Oh, it's letter B, 1 point. 12, B, 13, A, 2 points. 15A, 16B, 4 points now. And 17A, 18, 19, 5 points. Okay, you've got 5 points, Kayo. You add in your list. 5 points.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, do you have questions, Kayo?
No, I don't have any question for you.
Okay, so how much the scores do you have right now? Your scores?
1,784.
1,784?
84.
17, oh, wait for a while. I need to check. 1,784. And you've got 138 bonus. Okay, so you have question now? You don't have no questions? Okay.
Yes,
So teacher will say goodbye for now, Kayo.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you tomorrow.